Hey guys, how are you doing? And today we'll be seeing Spellbee International, the language of life. And today we'll be talking about the difference between American and the British English. Changes. There are quite a few noticeable differences between the British English dialect and the dialect of the American English. These are the ones that we'll cover today. We will be covering the difference between the spelling, the pronunciation, and the vocabulary. So let's move on to spelling. In American English, we use OR, and in British English, we use OUR. Sorry, I'm not getting the perfect lines, but I hope you can understand. So let's go on to the examples, and first example over here is color. In American English, we say COLOR, COLOR. And in British English, we say COLOUR, COLOUR. Then we are having honor. For honor, we are getting OR over here. It's American English, so we are getting honor. But in British English, we get HONOUR. See? Then for favorite, we get FAVORITE. You see over here OR, but in British English you get OUR. So don't forget, for in American English we get OR, and in British English we get OUR. In American English we use ZE. And in British English we use SE. For example, analyze. For analyze, we use ZE. But in British English, we use SE. Can you see the difference? Then we are having criticize. For criticize, we are using ZE because it's American English. But in British English, we are using SE. Then we're having memorize. For memorize in American English, we use ZE, MEMORIZE. But in British English, we use SE, MEMORISE. Then in American English, we use double L's for writing. Double L's. But in British English, we use only one L. So, let's go on to the examples. Enrollment. ENROLL. See here? Double L, MENT. But in British English, ENROLL, MENT. For fulfill, FULFILL. See, don't see the single L over here, but if you see over here, there's a double L. So, FULFILL. American English double L comes here. In British English, FULFIL, only one L comes. Then skillful. For skillful, we have double L over here. But in British English, we have SKILFUL. So, don't forget, in American English, we get OR, but in British English, we get OUR. In American English, we use ZE, but in British English, we use SE. In American English, we use double L, but in British English, we use only one L. So let's move on to the next one. So we are having American English. In American English, we are having ER, but in British English, we are having RE. See over here, for center. For center, we are having ER. CENTER. But in British English, we use CENTRE. TRE. For meter, we say M-E-T-E-R, meter. But in British English, it's converted as R-E. M-E-T-R-E. Theater. For theater, we have T-E-R. But we are having R-E. T-H-E-A-T-R-E. Now let's move on to the next one, which is O-G. In American English, we use O-G, but in British English, we use O-G-U-E. In American English, we use O-G, but in British English, we use O-G-U-E. So let's move on to the examples, which is analog. For analog, A-N-A-L-O-G. L-O-G. L-O-G. But in British English, it is A-N-A-L-O-G-U-E. O-G-U-E. O-G-U-E. Just a second. O-G-U-E. Then we're having catalog. C-A-T-A-L-O-G. L-O-G. For catalog in British English, C-A-T-A-L-O-G-U-E. O-G-U-E. Then we're having dialogue. For dialogue, we are having D-I-A-L-O-G. L-O-G. But in British English, dialogue changes over here. D-I-A-L-O-G-U-E. L-O-G-U-E. Let's go on to next one, which is American English. We say C-K or only K. C-K or only K. But in British English, it's changed as Q-U-E. Say with me, Q-U-E. So, for example, the bank, B-A-N-K. B-A-N-K. But in British English, we are having as B-A-N-Q-U-E, bank. B-A-N-Q-U-E. Then we are having check. For check, we are having C-H-E-C-K. C-H-E-C-K. But in British English, it's converted as Q-U-E. Q-U-E. So I hope you like this video. We will have a part 2 for the next spelling. I will give you a small peek through. And this is it. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned to Homeschool, and if